Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Immunology Overview. In this video tutorial, we are discussing about a topic which is known as the immune system. What is immune system? What functions of immune systems and how it's work? The overview of these immune system we are dealing with in this video. First of all, what is immune system? Immune system is a system which prevents our body from the foreign particles such as pathogens. Pathogens may be viruses, bacteria, protozoas and fungi. Means the immune system is a protective mechanism which protects our body from outside. The immune system is made up of all the type of cells, molecules, organs as well as tissue, and their functions are: first, it identifies the threat, means it identifies the foreign particles which is threat to our body. After identifying or after recognition, mount the attack, means how much amount of pathogen is there. They count number. After mounting, they eliminate the pathogens by some processes, by phagocytosis or cell-mediated immune response. There are many processes we are discussing later. They try to eliminate the pathogens, and after eliminating, they have memory power. This memory which helps to prevent our body from next attack to the same pathogens. Now, these are the main functions of the immune system. Now we are discussing about what is immune system and how it is there. The immune system, our immune system is divided into two types mainly. The first type is known as the innate immunity. Innate immunity. And the other type is known as the acquired or adaptive. Now, innate immunity and adaptive immunity. There are two different types of immunity. The innate is the first counter. It first counter to the pathogen. While the adaptive immunity, after counting of innate immunity, the adaptive immunity comes into the picture. There are some differences, some advantage of innate immunity and some disadvantage. Similarly, some advantage of adaptive immunity as well as some disadvantage. First, we are discussing comparing between adaptive as well as innate immunity. So, it is a very quick response, while the adaptive immunity is a slow response. They have no memory power, means every time the antigen for innate immunity is new, while they have memory power. Means once it attack on the pathogens or the antigen, if same antigen comes another time, second round, they have memory and they eliminate very quickly. They are non-specific, means it attack on all type of cells, while this adaptive immunity, it's very specific, means it produces antibodies which is very specific to specific antigen. So it is a very specific type. and this is a very slow response. These are some differences between innate immunity and adaptive immunity. In innate and adaptive immunity, first we are discussing about innate immunity. The innate immunity are also two types, not two types but two ways. The first way, which is always active type, means the cell of these active innate immunity system, the cells are always present in a circulation and always active. They include primary barriers and complementary system. The another type is a immediate response. Means the cells of this type are in a circulation, but they are very low count. As the body counters with foreign particles or pathogen, their number increase very rapidly. So there are two kinds, always on and immediate response. Now, we will discuss about first what is primary barrier. There are some cells which act as a barrier or the group of cells or some organs. For example, skin. Skin is a primary barrier which protects our body from surface. No one can enters into the body. Skin protects us. The another is a pH of stomach. Or gastric juice. pH of gastric juice. Now, the pH of gastric juice is very low. Is around 2 to 3 pH, which prevent the foreign particles to enter into the system. There are some others, for example, mucosal lining. This mucosal lining is also prevent, which it traps the foreign particles, which prevents to enter into the body. Another one is a normal flora. Normal flora are the group of bacteria or the organism which present inside the body, which prevents from pathogens by synthesizing a vitamin K. This vitamin K helps to prevent our body from foreign particles. The another always active type is a complementary system. In complementary system, there are many proteins, and these proteins or enzymes act in a cascade manner, and this after activation of all cells, it creates pore in the bacteria, which leads to killing of the organism. The another immediate response, there are different cells. For example, neutrophils, some dendritic cell, NK cells, means natural killer cells. Their concentration is very low, but as it encounters with foreign particles, their concentration, they proliferate, and their concentration, the number will increase rapidly. So this is all about the innate immunity. The another type of immunity, which is known as the adaptive immunity or acquired immunity. This immunity is also known as a delayed response. It's also known as a delayed response. It occurs by lymphocyte. There are two types of lymphocyte: T cells and B cells. By these two cells, the adaptive immunities occur, and these are very specific to the antigen. Now, the T cells are further divided into two types of cells: T helper cell and T killer cells or cytosolic cells. T helper cells activate B cells, and B cells converted into two types of cells, which is known as the plasma cells and another type is the memory cells. Now, memory cells produce an antibody. The plasma cells produce an antibody which is specific to the antigen. It binds and kills. Now, there is another way of classification, which is cell-mediated immunity and humoral immunity. Cell-mediated. As the name suggests, mediated. As a cell-mediated, as the name suggests, cell means it includes cells such as neutrophil, dendrite, antigen-presenting cells. It includes all dendritic cell, macrophages. Means these all are cells. Hence, this kind of immunity is known as a cell-mediated immunity. There is another type which is known as a humoral. Humoral means some body fluid. The immunity which is gained by a body fluid. This includes antibodies, complement system or complement proteins. So there are two types of immunity, which is cell-mediated and humoral. This is all overview of immune system. In further video, we are dealing with in detail of how T cells form, B cells form, or how cell-mediated immunity occurs in later videos. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and share it.